If the time to read a book is 2 days, which is 48 hours, then reading 5 books would require 240 hours. If the time to play a game of Go is 10 minutes, playing a piece of music takes 3 minutes. Baking a tray of warm little breads takes 20 minutes. After subtracting sleep time, there are still 16 hours left in a day. How much time is left to do what you love? If the time for a facial mask is 15 minutes, it can improve both your mood and your skin. If you want to make good use of this time, then delicious food is certainly essential. With just your hands, you only need to stir a bit. Then, when it comes to quietly waiting for a delicious dish, I would unhesitatingly choose to make caramel pudding. First, put 40 grams of sugar and 10 milliliters of water into a small pot and slowly heat it over low heat until it turns caramel color. Once it reaches a beautiful amber-colored liquid, by adding a little more heat and quickly covering the pot, it can be poured into the molds and left to set. Make 2 more complete egg pancakes, add 2 egg yolks, and the remaining egg whites can also be used to stir-fry rice. Add a little more sugar and stir well. Pour the milk into the caramel pot and heat it until it is slightly boiling. Slowly pour into the egg mixture and finally strain it 2 to 3 times into molds filled to 8/10 full. Add hot water to the baking tray, cover the mold with aluminum foil and place it in the oven at 140 degrees for 40 minutes. The waiting time shouldn't be wasted either. Apply a facial mask, take a bath, and then watch a movie for about 30 minutes, and by then, the caramel pudding will be almost ready. Use the warm steam to first apply the essence to your face and press it in to aid absorption. Then apply a cooling facial mask. The cool sensation feels like my skin is tightly wrapped together. It's super comfortable. My body has warmed up, and now is the happiest moment of today. The skin has become much more translucent and the complexion has brightened. The blush on the cheeks is also much more stable. A clean, natural face is the most comfortable. After the caramel pudding is out of the oven, wait to cool, then unmold.